What is the best mindset for investing? If you are investing in stock market, cryptocurrencies or real estate, it's very important that you have a very solid, mindset. And especially in the time of difficulties and crises, which we are also facing now. In the world, there are so many crazy things going on which influence the market. There's inflation we can notice, and also in some places there's still a pandemic going on, so it all influences markets very much. If you're someone who panics or is afraid, and this influences your decisions you make on your investments, that means you really have to work with your mindset as well as with your investing strategy. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Here you can learn a lot on business and self-development. I provide a video every Wednesday, and give this video a like if you like it. It really helps me spread this message all over YouTube so that more people can benefit from it. People lose a lot of money when they are afraid, and you need to know it, especially now. And if you do have emotional stability, then you can go through difficulties without making mistakes. You don't have to follow the crowd. You can stick to your strategies. And we know that there is a recession every 10 years, and there is a big correction every year, basically. So mostly there is no reason to panic as long as you have a solid strategy and character. And if you are not able to handle risk and emotions, then the best way you just don't go into investments. If you'd like to work with your mindset, check out my book on personal development. The link is in the description below. I sell it on Amazon, and there I share my personal story as well as a lot of tips. This book can really inspire you to take the next step in your development and to learn from my experience and the experience of my family that I also share there. And you need to work with your mindset also for the reason that you will not always win, especially when it comes to investments. And there will be situations where you invest and it will not be successful. So if you have this long-term strategy, then it's totally fine. In the short period, there is no chance to predict everything. Nobody knows what really happens, and things happen all the time and really quickly. So make sure you don't invest the money that you need for survival, because then you will be even more emotional and will make even more mistakes. And in fact, the money you need for survival, you need to keep for yourself. The best is that you have cash for at least a few months, and the rest of the money you can invest. I have another video on how to prepare for financial crisis, where you can learn practical ways of dealing with financial difficulties. It can be useful for you also nowadays, so check it out. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, watch some other videos of mine on business and self-development here, and see you next Wednesday.